At Silk Road Odyssey, we treat all kinds of stains from dog or cat pee. We are in San Rafael, and we can help you remove tough stains from rugs. Our process is effective and easy to use. We can help you get rid of those stubborn stains that have been there for weeks or even months. We are a team of professionals who are passionate about what we do. Our goal is to make sure that your home is clean and safe for you and your pets.
If you need help with tough stain removal, call us at 415-561817. We are experts in removing all types of stains and odors from rugs.